Hey there, my friend and fellow traders. Will here over at FXAce.com. First of all, welcome to the video. So it's the 26th of May 2020, and today starts a new daily video that I'm going to be posting. I'm going to try and do 2 videos per day, one at the start of the European session and one at the start of the US session. Okay, so make sure you're subscribed to the channel and subscribe to my email newsletter. Preferably subscribe to the channel so you can get the videos as they are posted. Okay, so you can hit the subscribe button now. So what we're actually going to do, we're going to look at the best possible setups and trades that will be happening in each session. We're just coming out of the Asian session here, and as you can see on the Forex Pro dashboard, the main tool I now use for day trading, as it instantly analyzes the full market for me and tells me the strongest pairs, the weakest pairs, critical turning points, and basically allows me to analyze the whole market in seconds and looking for the best possible trading setups. So the dashboard we have in front of you is the stochastic dashboard, and this is the RSI dashboard. Okay, we're trying to line these up with support and resistance areas and levels on the chart. Okay, so if you actually just look at the dashboards, the Aussie dollar has been very strong this morning, and also the Kiwi. You can see this from kind of correlating in the chart. You can see the Aussie and Kiwi pairs are against other main pairs are the weakest, and the Aussie pairs and Kiwi pairs are the strongest at the top here. Okay, we are approaching on the Aussie JPY the critical 700 area on the stochastic dashboard, and if we look at the RSI dashboard, similar story. We're at around 530 on the total there. USD JPY is reaching about 570 on the RSI, and it's also critical on the stochastic dashboard. So instantly, that's a key one I'm going to be looking at today in the European session for a possible trading setup. So what I want to do is I'll just click over and I'll just zoom out and see if there's any support and resistance areas on the higher time frames that could possibly get a reaction here. Okay, so see in the weekly, this is looking, we're ranging from the bottom to the top here. This could pop up higher. Short-term, be a short-term scalp on this trade. Possibly where it is now, you can see we've got a bit of resistance in the daily there, and if you look across here, got a lot of bounces here before, so possibly get some sort of reaction here. European session, this might fall, and then the US session back to the upside. What I really want is a divergence signal, okay, which is not happening as of yet. So you can actually download this divergence indicator absolutely free if you're watching this on YouTube. Just click the link to sign up to the newsletter and you'll get this indicator free. So USD JPY will be on my watch list for a sale. Okay. Water here. Aussie JPY is going to be another one, and Aussie CAD. So the Aussie JPY, and you can see clearly, if we just zoom out here in the daily, be another one I'm looking at here. And we are at a bit of a floor here, or a wall, floor, whatever you want to call it, previous floor, now a new resistance. So this will be a nice selling opportunity with the right signal today on the AUD JPY. So this will be one that I will be looking to trade if the signal happens. Okay, divergence signal on the 1 hour 30-minute chart. So possibly this session, this will start to fall. Longer term, again, I'm liking this to maybe move down. Okay, but today on the short-term European session, US session, I'd like this for a possible selling opportunity. Let's have a look at the. So it's so easy to get the best pairs to be trading. Okay, Euro Aussie will be another one I'm looking at. These in Euro Kiwi, Euro Kiwi especially. As you can see there, green on the higher time frames, and they're looking for a possible turning point. Okay, so if I just look at the RSI dashboard, British pound Aussie is another one. Again, the British pound Aussie is the free signal that I give out this week, and I'm looking to buy this at 185,600 this week. And again, if this get a divergence signal on this trade today, I will be looking to buy this. So I'm bullish on the British pound Aussie. And Aussie CAD is another one I'm looking at. Okay, see we are approaching, just zoom out here, we are at a wall here, floor, whatever. Okay, resistance, it's kind of breaking up through. This could pop up, but again, the signals are telling me that this will be a nice sell. So I'll be waiting for a divergence signal to happen today on this, and then I will be looking to sell the Aussie CAD. Okay, CAD looking to sell. And Euro Kiwi is another one. Okay, so the USD, JPY, Aussie JPY, British Pound, Aussie, and Aussie CAD, and the Euro Kiwi are three trades that I'm going to be looking at closely today in the European session, especially the European pair here, as it comes down to, on the daily chart, as it comes down to this area here. Be looking for a divergence signal on this. Alright, that was a 4 hour zone. This maybe pop down quickly in the European session, then a rally up. So I'll be looking to buy that at some point. Okay, today, Euro, sorry, that's Euro Aussie, the Euro Aussie. And we'll look at the Euro Kiwi also, Euro Kiwi. Okay, Euro Kiwi, again, we're approaching this $177,800, this kind of area here. This caused this high here, took out this swing high, took out this high here. Market's slowly making its way down to it on the daily, on the 4 hour chart there. And this will be a nice buying area today. So I'll be looking for a divergence signal happening inside this area. Let's see, the dashboards are kind of lining up with these zones, both of them. Okay, down the bottom half there, down the bottom half on the Euro Kiwi. Okay, so they're the kind of main pairs I'm going to be looking at today. Maybe more will pop up as I'm analyzing. I will post that in my next video in the US session. Yeah, so if you want to access the dashboard, simply hit the buy button now, or the subscribe button now below this video. And yeah, so that's the trades I'm looking at today. And yeah, so have a great day, have a great Euro session, and I'll see you on the next video. Well over to fxace.com.